Is your network safe? Ditek DTK-WM8NETS 8-channel PoE surge protector that actually works. Ever felt that sinking frustration when your network gear dies suddenly from a power surge? You're stuck, overwhelmed, wasting time troubleshooting failed connections or fried devices. Those unreliable surge protectors promising security but delivering zilch? Yeah, they kill your focus and motivation faster than slow Wi-Fi. When your Ethernet and PoE devices keep failing just because your protection isn't up to snuff, it's a brutal roadblock. You need a shield that's tough, dependable, and hassle-free, not another weak link in your setup. Crushing deadlines? Dead network switches? Stress spikes when your PoE cameras, NVRs, or VoIP systems drop offline at the worst moment. Burnout creeps in because every outage means missed calls, lost footage, or project delays. The creeping dread of unprotected cables vulnerable to surges haunts every IT pro and tech user. Watching critical devices fry while your system goes dark? That's a nightmare you don't want to relive. Without solid surge protection, your whole network and sanity are on the line. Enter the Ditek DTK-WM8NETS, the 8-channel wall-mount Ethernet surge protector engineered to deliver rock-solid defense for your shielded Ethernet and PoE devices. With its hybrid SAD and GDT technology, it packs a massive 20 kA per pair surge current rating, handling even the nastiest power spikes without flinching. Supporting blazing 10 gigabits Ethernet speeds, it shields your network switches, NVRs, PoE hubs, injectors, and VoIP systems effortlessly. Its modular, rapid replacement design lets you swap parts easily without removing the whole unit, saving precious time. UL 497B listed and IEEE PoE standard compliant. This protector is your network's new best friend for reliability and speed. Why are IT pros and installers buzzing about the DTK-WM8NETS? Because it nails the balance of power and convenience with zero compromises. Imagine your network protected by cutting-edge SAD and GDT tech that effortlessly shields all 8 ports from a jaw-dropping 20 kA surge. Seriously, that's some superhero-level defense. Users love the modular front replacement system, meaning downtime is minimal when maintenance is needed. The shielded RJ 45 inputs/outputs ensure no interference, keeping your 10 gigabits Ethernet data blazing fast. Plus, it's ready for high wattage PoE Plus and high PoE devices, so future-proofing your setup is a breeze. One reviewer raved, "This unit saved my entire security system from a major surge. Installation was a snap, and I never worry about outages now." Curious? Dive in to protect your network like a pro. Don't gamble with your network's safety. Grab the Ditek DTK-WM8NETS Surge Protector now. Limited stock means you need to act fast before outages and power spikes catch you off guard. Join thousands of savvy IT pros and home tech enthusiasts who've secured their PoE gear with this UL-listed IEEE compliant champion. Easy to install, insanely robust, and built to last, it's the peace of mind your network deserves. Click buy now to lock in protection and say goodbye to fried devices forever.